given starting from his house one day a student walks at the rate 2.5 km per hour and reaches his school 6 minutes late. Hello all my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching. As you know, we have started with 0 to Pro batch in English version, and we are going to complete each chapters by segregating the questions type wise, and we are going to complete all the types so that you can get 100% common in the exam and can solve it within seconds using the trick. So don't skip the video because you are going to learn very important concept here. So let us start with type 2, where a fixed distance will be given. That means certain distance will be given, but that particular distance will be traveled using two different speed, and for traveling in such two different speed, the time difference will be given, and you will be asked to find out that particular distance. So let us go through a question to get the concept clear. A man covers a certain distance from house to office. So man is covering a distance which is fixed, that is from house to office. If he travels at the rate 30 km per hour, if he travels with the speed of 30 km per hour, then he is late by 10 minutes. But if he travels at the rate 40 km per hour, then he reaches the office 5 minutes earlier. Now, if he is traveling with the speed of 40 km per hour, in that case, he is 5 minutes earlier. Find the distance traveled, or find the distance from home to office. So, one-way distance, that is home to office, that distance you are going to find out. Here the shortcut to find out the distance is, that is distance equal to product of speed, that is s1 into s2, divided by difference of speed, that is s1 minus s2, into difference of time. That's it. By using this particular formula, you can easily find out your answer. As you can see, speed 1 and speed 2 is already given in the question, that is 30 and 40 respectively. The bigger one will be S1 because you are going to write the difference over here. Always bigger one minus small one. You will not get your answer in negative. That you are going to remember. Here speed 1 is 40 km per hour and speed 2 is 30 km per hour. So here the speed is given in kilometer per hour. As here we have hours, so the time difference will also be in hour. But how you are going to find out the time difference? That is very important here. So one trick that I am going to give you, this one is going to help you to solve it within seconds. That is, if the time is given like this, one is late, another one is early, or one is early, another one is late. In this case, you are going to add the given time. So if early late means mixture is given, you are going to add. If only early in both the cases or only late in both the cases is given, then you are going to find out the difference, that is you are going to subtract bigger one minus smaller one. So let us find out our answer. 40 into 30, that is product of speed, divided by 40 minus 30, that is 10 difference of speed, multiplied by time difference. So here one is given 10 minute late, another one is given 5 minute early, that means late early case. So we are going to add. So 10 plus 5, that is 15. But here 10 minute and 5 minutes, so we are getting in minute, but we need in hour because speed is given in kilometer per hour. So if we convert this minute into hour, you need to divide it by 60. Now let us find out our answer. 15 4s are 60. Here 0 and 0 you can cancel, 4 and 4 you can cancel, so we are left out with 30. So 30 km will be our final answer. So let us see another one question to get our concept cleared. So here it is given, starting from his house one day a student walks at the rate 2.5 km per hour and reaches his school 6 minutes late. So the distance is from house to school. When he is traveling at the speed of 2.5 km per hour, he is late by 6 minutes. Again it is given, next day he increases his speed by 1 kilometer per hour. That means previously it was 2.5, now 2.5 plus 1, that is 3.5 kilometer per hour, and reaches the school 6 minutes earlier. In this case, he is reaching the school 6 minutes earlier. How far is the school from his home? So you are going to find out the distance here, that is the distance between school and house. So here the same thing you are going to use, that is distance equal to product of speed, that is s1 into s2, divided by difference of speed, that is s1 minus s2 into time difference. So here speed 1 and speed 2, here speed 1 will be the bigger one, that is 3.5 into 2.5. I think it is clear how you are getting 3.5, that is 2.5 previously, now 1 kilometer per hour speed is increased, so 2.5 plus 1, that is 3.5, divided by difference of speed, that is 3.5 minus 2.5, you are getting 1, into time difference. Here it is given, in first case it is 6 minutes late. Now let us find out the time difference, as speed is given kilometer per hour, so this time will be also in hour. Let us see what is given in the question. First case it is given 6 minutes late. In the second case it is given 6 minutes early. That means two different thing is given, so you are going to add. So by adding 6 plus 6 you are getting 12. But 6 minutes, here also 6 minutes, so you will get your answer in minute. But we need here in hours, so divide this 12 minutes by 60 to get your answer in hour. Now 12 5s are 60. We know 5 5s are 25, that is 0.5 we will get. So let us multiply, you are getting over here, that is here. Let us just simplify this one. 3.5 we can write it as 7 by 2 multiplied by 0.5 means 1 by 2. We all know this, so 7 by 2 2s are 4 we are getting, or directly you can multiply and get your answer in decimal. Whatever is given in the option, accordingly we are going to solve it. So 7 by 4 kilometer is your final answer. Let us see another one question, but this time you are going to pause the video and try to solve it by your own, then you will see the solution. So here it is given, a man covers a certain distance by 10 km per hour. So the speed is 10 km per hour and becomes 15 minutes late. In this case he is 15 minutes late. But if he travels the same distance with 12 km per hour, so now the speed is 12 km per hour, then he becomes 5 minutes late. In this case he is 5 minutes late. Find the distance. So same formula you are going to apply, that is distance equal to product of speed, that is s1 into s2, divided by difference of speed, that is s1 minus s2 into time difference. So let us solve here speed 1 into speed 2. So let us multiply this speed, that is 10 into 12. Now difference in speed, that is bigger one minus smaller one. So 12 minus 10 you are getting 2. Here the speeds are in kilometer per hour. So we also need the time difference in hour. So here let us see what is given. In the first case he is 15 minutes late. In other case what is given, he is 5 minutes late. So in both the cases we have late. As we have late in both the cases, so we are going to find out the difference, or we are going to subtract. 15 minus 5 we are getting 10. But this you will get in minute. So what we are going to do is this 10 you are going to divide it by 60 to get it in hour. So 0 and 0 you can cancel. 6 into 2 is 12, 2 and 2 you can cancel, so you are getting 10 km as your final answer. So with this we come to the end of the type 2. We are going to start with type 3 in the next video. If you find the content of this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and to get notification of newly uploaded important videos of our channel you need to click on the bell icon. See you in the next video with new important concept. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.